My sneeze went away.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hello there,
Hi.
all you people.
Hi.
Where are all the people?
I don't know.
Yum.
Yeah, yum.
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 Um.
Or I need to go.
Go to what? Wait, what are we doing now? Why are we going back here?
I don't know. I figured we could talk about another someone.
No, that Tron movie looks pretty good.
I didn't see anything on that Tron movie.
You just saw it.
Did I? I didn't even like pay attention to it.
Let's watch it.
I don't even know what it's about. We're gonna watch the Tron Legacy trailer number 2, people. Watch our reactions. It'll be funny.
And watch Two Girls One Cup.
No.
Ugh. I thought I'd never see. And then one day, something happened.
What happened?
Something extraordinary. Listen. That's gonna have to wait till next time. Encom CEO Kevin Flynn was reported missing today. He was last seen at his home with his son, Sam.
Sam, that was Paige last night. Paige came from your dad's office at the arcade. The number's been disconnected for 20 years.
Hey, Dad. This isn't happening.
Now I want to dress up like Tron guy did.
Who are you? Dad. I'm not your father, Sam.
Huh?
I'm very, very happy to see you.
Are you confused?
Luke,
What am I supposed to do?
Your father was the creator.
Where do I find him?
Make it there alive, and he'll find you.
Cars.
I'm just confused.
You move, Flynn. Come on.
I just don't get it. Did you scare yourself?
It's a Disney movie too.
I don't get it.
Who's made an aeroplane?
Let's watch. Let's watch.
Over the weekend, it made 62.8 million. Inception did. Despicable Me made 118 million over the weekend.
Nice.
Eclipse, really.
Eclipse made
Toy Story-
265 million.
Toy Story 3, 363 million.
Where do you see that? Oh yeah. Wow, look at that. It's awesome. I have to. I can't help it. I just have to. What's this one? Ooh, what does this one do?
Isabel Swan, I promise to love you every moment forever.
I like it the
Jacob, what are you doing?
this.
I'm here to warn you. Leave now. She has a right to know.
What?
We've been tracking the situation for a while.
This is in my teeth.
Is this the trailer? Is this what I want to see?
Your skin is pale white and ice cold.
Say it.
Vampire.
Are you afraid?
No.
For centuries, they have lived peacefully among us,
You know I'll be with you forever.
but some still hunger for our blood.
You brought a snack.
Now, to save what he desires most,
Never gonna stop.
he must fight one of his own.
Faster than the others.
But not stronger.
I'm stronger.
You know, I'm
From a worldwide bestseller to
from the previews, it still looks like it would have been like an amazing movie, but it was like it was bad. I just like it because I like love.
The book.
I just love Twilight. It's getting better.
There's a dog in my hair.
I just felt something touch me. I'm
I said there's a dog in my hair.
I didn't even hear you.
She's scared. She's so
She
good.
did.
Let's go to that again.
What?
Our video that's going on.
Oh yeah! Oh my god, I forgot.
It's only been 5 minutes.
Wow. Okay, so we have more time. Okay, so just look at Emma in there. Oh man, that's funny. Oh no, Emma, come eat it. Okay.
I'm out of soda.
Sweetie pie. Let's just watch movie trailers and then we'll do commentary on movie trailers.
Despicable Me.
You Despicable Me?
Yeah.
Alright.
This was a great
On
movie.
July 25th, AMC
This isn't
presents
Despicable
the
Me at all.
season of Batman.
This is Mad Men.
Yeah, it'll start playing
Unfortunate's best show.
after this.
Miranda Cosgrove is in it?
Batman
Is she?
only
Go down.
AMC.
That's related name.
She's in this movie.
Yeah, this is what
Oh yeah, she plays the oldest sister.
Freeze ray, freeze ray. Coffee and donuts. Gives her a tip.
For Groove, being a supervillain isn't easy.
We stole the Statue of Liberty.
From Las
Stole
Vegas.
one from Las Vegas.
He has to control
Listen up, please.
an army of minions.
Boom.
Dave.
Dave.
He has to outsmart
He is the nemesis.
ruthless archenemy.
That's played by Jason Segel.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate that guy.
And he's about to inherit
3 little
three
kids.
small problems.
Shut up!
You will not cry or sneeze or bark or fart. No annoying
Where do the kids come
sounds.
from?
Does this count as annoying?
Girl Scout cookies, basically, for the orphan.
From Universal Pictures,
We are
they
going to
have
pull off the true cry
I
of the
forgot
century.
why.
We are going to steal the moon.
and Chris Meledandri, executive producer of Ice Age and Horton Hears a Who.
I shrink the moon. I grab the moon. I sit on the toilet. What?
What? You sit on your toilet.
By the time I'm done with Groove, he's gonna be begging for us. We have to hold it.
Shark.
And fast.
Shark out the water. My head. Miranda Cosgrove is good.
It's just coincidence. I like her.
Just because he's a bad guy doesn't mean he's a bad guy.
There's like 7 people that talked in this
Kittens
movie.
started to yawn.
Total
Make them
7.
drink the milk.
Wow, this is garbage.
3, 4,
You actually
5.
like this?
Despicable
I see 6
Me
right now.
in eye-popping 3D.
Yes, I have the dude.
He's so pretty, I'm gonna die.
All you gotta do is look
That
at that
dude.
spaceship there.
Aww.
Oh, somebody's got a frowny face. Okay, my turn. Knocked over.
Yeah, bitch.
So, my face. Despicable Me.
Dog's really cute.
We're still watching Fool's Gold.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I love this movie. I was gonna do something, I forgot about it.